Hello friends, welcome back to block project in Laravel 10. Last video I will show you how to make a download themes, admin themes download, how to set up login and register routes with pages, how to set up like a themes about the whatever themes we are using inside a front side. You can see it my screen inside. You can see it's this is the themes we use. How we can set up all the video I will explain everything. Now we need to work using database connection. Suppose you are not create database connection, so you need to create a database connection. I have already done database connection. Suppose you are following the series, so you know about we have create like a one database blog.com. After my password here is a null, so it's not password. My username is like root and like a localhost. Okay, and with I have provide like app URL it. So do you want to not it, so you can short out in your side. Okay, and you are new in this channel, otherwise in this series, so please subscribe and please press the bell icon, so whatever content we are uploading, so you always get the notification and you can learn something every day new. This is the reasons, otherwise no any reasons. So it's good for you and good for me, and because our family is very small, so please help me and do the subscription button, means subscribe button, and please press the bell icon. Okay, so in this video I can do I can provide like here two button, login and register button. Once you click on the login, so we need to go login button, and once we can click on the register, so we can go register button. Last video we have divide all themes to one file, means a different files. Suppose I go to resources, views, layouts, so inside you can see it like app, header, footer, like this files here, there. So in this video we can do login and register. So how we can register and how we can login, I can show you. And what is the type wise we need to do, this one also I can show you. Means is like user login and admin login, and with we can work here like a permission works. So first of all, open your header.blade.php, and inside you need to provide like a two button URLs. Once I will open, so this is my header files. You can see it here is a join class, so we need to change to here login, and I will copy same button and put another button. I can change to register. Okay, and once I will save, and I just go back again, and we can check how it's look show. So just refresh the page, so you can see it here two button, login and register. Let's make some spaces like here, so look like better. So simple, just open the spec element. After you can go inside, and after you can make like margin left 10 px, so you can see some spaces available. It's very simple and very easy way, it's not like a difficult. Okay, so first open spec element, after you can do it margin left, otherwise you can type here like a margin left 10 px, means 8 px, whatever do you want to like space, you can do it in your way. After we need to provide our URL, because we have already done some URL like login register we have done. So I can put here like a login URL, and just I go back and I just put here like another URL like a register URL. Okay, let's go back again and we can check is this is the URL we have provided, this one work not work. So let's close this one, and also we can open the database. So here I will check login, so is login URL working very well, no issue. So I go to registers, so register URL also can working. We need to provide our logo here, nice admin, we need to provide our logo, but I will not provide here logo. Once I will make inside dynamic, after I can do is a logo also here. Okay, so this is not difficulty, we can do it later, but here you can see two buttons I have had. So now we need to work like register. Suppose we can go to our database, just open the blog.com, our database here. So database inside you can find out like users tables, you can see it users tables. So users table inside you can see it like name there. Okay, name, email there. So email always we can do it like unique, because anybody can log in as a email address wise, so always unique. After you can see it like verified password there, so we can create a password. We don't want to use like our username, so just remove the username, we can use only name, your email, and like a password and confirm password. We can do it too, but let's leave it password only, so it's also possible. And I agree term and conditions. So but do you want to create this page, 100% we can create this page like term and privacy policy, term and condition about us, so we can provide link. Right now we have not their page, so we can't provide. Okay, so let's go to this page and we can do it a register. This is the registration why I need, because we need to provide multi vendor, all the people create a blog, so we need to make a register here. And once you can register, after you can he can create a blocks, but once is a verify account, after he can do it. But here I can do registration, after I can do login, after we can provide two tab, one is a super admin and one is a like a user, otherwise admin, otherwise user, whatever do you want to like, this is the you can do it. So we can provide two type, admin and users. So here is a registration, is a simple is a user registration. We can do is a database inside, we can make one admin. After admin can log in, so he can see it all the blog, all the post, everything he can see it, create a category, subcategory, everything he can create. So let's show you one by one and step by step. So let's create here first registration pages here. So simple, you can go to like our auth, inside you can see it like a register. Okay, so let's make some zoom out so you can see it proper way. We don't need username, so just remove the username because I don't want to need a username. Okay, here is a field password, also name is equal to password, here type is equal to email password, also is all is required. Okay, so perfect. Here is you can see it, our form started and need validations. I don't think this is the we need to do, just you can put like action, and here you can do it like a method is equal to post. Okay, now I agree term and conditions, so each terms is also active, and create an account, this is the also there. But we need to make a verify email address, we don't want to go directly, so always need a verified accounts, and after we can do, so we can also send emails. Okay, and I am using all the my testing data. Okay, I can show you how we can do it. So let's go back again and refresh the page, and you can see it like your name, your email and password. Okay, so username I have removed, I just click on the create account, so it's required, so we need to do. Let's make a here dummy name like this because these are all the testing name, and password 123456, I agree, and I just click on the account. So is working, but here generate the error because this is the not a post method found, like this error you can see it here. You can see the post method not supported for these routes. So we need to create for the first post method same as a route like a register, because we have pass here blank action, you can see it here. So just you need to go to like routes, inside you need to go web, inside just you need to copy and paste. Okay, and here you can change like a post, and here also you can make like a create user, and you can change to register. Okay, so this is the create user we need to do. So inside a auth controller means we need to create a new function. So app http controller inside auth controller, and I just put here like a function create users request dollar request, and I can make here dd. Okay, dd all, so we can check all the information I get cannot good. But we can do this one, we need to verify our token, because without token is impossible to work like a Laravel. It is working but it's a different way work, but I don't want to explain like this, so I can explain like a proper way what we can do and what we can here did, so we can do it here. So just we need to use a crf field token. So just you can type like this, there are two three way possible, but I can explain like this. So whatever do you want to like, you can do it your end. Okay, crf fields and just like token, this simple way like this. Okay, crf fields, and you can see it, so you get here you can see it like a one is a token about hidden fields. Okay, so let's go back again and we can check, and here I can change block admin to nice admin to blocks, so look like good this reasons. Okay, so here I can change nice admin to block, so look like is a blogging we are working, this is the reasons. And I can provide like anything Samsung, email address I can use like Samsung at the gmail.com, sample at gmail.com, whatever do you want, like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and I can create an account. So registration, so you can see terms is not found like on, I don't know what is the issue, I will check. Let's go back again and we can check here name, like terms is required input fields, and I already made checked value is equal to null, because here is a value already null passing this reason. We are remove this value, and I just go back again and I refresh the page, and after fill again, like anything I can fill because I need to do is a queue this reasons. Okay, after your decision whatever do you want to like, you can do it proper way. I just testing right now this reasons, creating account, so you can see terms now on, before is a value is equal to here blank pass, this reason is showing like this, otherwise no any reasons, you can see it here. Okay, so this is the data we are getting inside controllers. So now we need to store this data in our database. So simple, just go to auth controller, here we need to call our user model. So user model you can see it here, So simple, you can call here use app slash models slash user. So this is the user model we can use here. So I can told you again, we did first app. So this is the app. After you can see it like models, inside you can see it users. So this is the file we are calling. Okay, because users model automatic work. Here is the users table already combined, this reason. Now we need to make like $save is equal to new users. Here I can do it like a name is equal to trim. I am always using trim function because I need to remove all this space. Suppose space available, so we need to remove always space. This reason I am using trim function. Name, just save, and this one also save. Okay, means I copy paste, not save. After we can copy like emails, so I put here emails, and here I can make like password, but password we need to create like a hash. So just you can use like a hash make like a password, and we need to remove the trim because we don't want to use here trim. Okay, and we don't want to use like a here last one, so just you can put like a here password, and after you can save. Okay, once you can save, we need to redirect to login screen. So redirect, redirect login with success, register successfully, register successfully. Okay, 1 minute. Your account registered successfully. Like this you can type whatever do you want to, like you can like, let's make it your account registered successfully. Okay, look like a better, your account registered successfully. Let's go back again and we can check is working not working. Okay, I just go back again and refresh the page again, and I add a like a professional name now, Samsung sample at the rate gmail.com, and password I will add like a 123456, and I just agree and I click on the create account. So we can check is not working, so error generated, so we can 100% solve. So error not generated, so is working very well. Redirect login with, so let's go back again, is a hash because of we have not declared this is the hash here. Hash we have used, but we have not used like a use hash, we need to declare like this. Once you can save, just press Ctrl F5. Once you can press Ctrl F5, suppose you are using the Windows, suppose you are using the Mac, so I don't know. Once you can press Ctrl F5, so whatever data there inside form, this data you can use the again. So just click on the resend. Once you click resend, so you can see it like account successfully created. I can go to databases and you can see it sample at gmail.com, and here you can see it password, create date and update it. Now carefully watch. Now I need to do like another column like a is admin. Otherwise you can do type is power, whatever do you want to, like you can do it. I will just add here like a is admin new column. Like is admin, how it's work, when to check is admin means like this is the user, this is the admin. So is admin tiny integers by default is 0 because right now I register is a like a users. So 0 means users and 1 means is the admin. Okay, so I made a two type here. Is admin, so 0 means is a user and 1 means admin. So lots of people is like a different way understanding. Suppose we are working like a role management, so how we can work, this is the I will do role management, I will cover inside a permission work. I don't want to create like a lots of user and after I can hide shown. It's better we can do is a permission work and we can check this user have a permission, so we can go, otherwise we don't want to go. Okay, so right now just create a like a is admin new column. So you can provide like by default 0. Suppose anybody can register here, so automatic going to here 0 because we need to make admin. So just we can change here like 1, and we can change here like a admin at the rate gmail.com inside direct database, and after we can create for this account login to use inside our system like a our admin panel inside how to create users, how to create a another admin. So I can show you, so don't worry about that. Okay, so just go to back refresh again and you can click on the create new accounts. Okay, I can add another file sample at the gmail.com again, because this another account already there, I have already convert like password 123456, and I just agree and I just click on the create an account. Once I create account, so you can see it here is another account found. Okay, account creating successfully work, and also database entry also successfully work, like here that data. But now we need to make a verification. Suppose anybody can create account is the same email address, because we are logging as the email address. I know here you can see it username, but we need to change as a user email address. So we need to change here our verification works. So first of all, we need to check this email address already there inside database, cannot there inside database. So we need to work inside Laravel, and we can do it like a one validation. So how we can provide validation? It is a very simple way. Just you need to type like a here few codes, like a here request, sorry, request. This is like very easy code, otherwise you can do it lots of place, lots of way, but I can show you like a very easy way. Okay, validate. Inside we need to create one array. Okay, simple way, array inside we need to provide our field name. So our field name is the email, you know, me know. Okay, and this is the we need to provide what validation you want to do. So first of all, we need to make a required. This is the always required. Suppose yes is always required. Okay, required. After we need to provide like his email, always need an email address. This reason this validation. And also we need to do unique. So unique we can do like a unique and which table we need to use, like a users tables. Okay, so is a validation is done, like very simple. Request validate. After inside we need to create like one array, an array inside we can do, suppose we need to do password. So just copy and paste, and here you can change like a password, and after you can remove all. Same thing we can do, like you have put like a name. So all thing done, like validation we have put like a name, email and password. Let's go back again and we can check. We can add like a same email address. I don't want to add like another email address, like whatever they are inside database. Okay, so let's go back and I can copy for sample one, and I just go and I can add name here, example. Again I add this email address, and I can add like password 123456. I required, I just press the create an account. So you can see it is a back again. Okay, like same account, because the validation working very well, because it's back as a again to back a register page. So we need to provide here like a error, so user can understand easily. So how we can provide error? So we need to write some code here. Like first of all, code we can do like already information there inside a input box, we don't want to remove. So simple, just go to register. Here you can do it like a value. Here you can put like a old. This is the functionality provided by a Laravel. Like you can do just you can do it old. Same thing you can do it email, because password and term and condition we don't want to do, because always need a required. So you can do it only email and name. Okay. After you need to provide here like a here our messages. So how what type messages we can provide? Like we can do it here like another one like a error. So div, same thing you can copy. Otherwise you can remove. We don't want to need this one invalid feedback like this. So just remove. Okay. So this is the we can do it on. We don't want to use in themes. So simple way. So here you can do it like div, and here you can do it like a style color is equal to red. So this is the red inside, you can see it your error. So how you can show error? Dollar errors first, and we can do it like a name. Okay, so same thing you can do it like a email, same thing you can do it like a password. So just you can change here like a your name. Okay, it's very simple and very easy way. Let's go back again and we can check is working not working. So we are thinking here is the errors variable, how it's used, because we are not passing inside register page, but this is the automatic Laravel convert. So you don't want to think about that why is the errors work. So this is the always work inside Laravel, because he is a inbuilt lots of plugin works. So we don't care about that. Okay, so automatic works, error first name. So let's go back again and we can check is working not working. So let's go to again database and I copy same email address. and I just put like a sample here, and I just put like email address, and I put here password, whatever do you want to like. I always do 126. After I create account, so it's going to checking, and here you can see it like a errors. The email address already has been taken, and also you can see it like a sample is there, and also you can see your password there. But password why is fillable? Because this is the sample at the gmail.com is already fillable inside my browser is I have already saved. You can see it here. This reason showing. Suppose I can remove here, so impossible show here password. This is the reason. And after I click, and I can add like sample one, and also I can put here sample one. And after I click on the register button, means create account button, so you can see it is a account successfully created. And also you can see it here data like sample1 at the rate gmail.com. And also you can see 0 means add users, and 1 means admin. Created updated is also can works. Okay, this is the issue solved, means the registration work very well, no any issue. But now we need to do is like a success message, because here is not showing the success message. Without success message look like a not a professional, so we always need to show is a success message. So success message we need to do, we need to create a new file like a messages. Suppose we have already done messages file, so we don't know. So let's see resources inside layouts, inside is not done is a message file. So here we need to create a new file like a messages. So simple, I will create a new file. Suppose you are follow my series like other series, so I already explained why I am creating one single file, and I will copy this file to here. So just you can do it like a messages.blade.php, and after this file inside you can add like all the code about the success, error, means the session like this. You can see it. I make some zoom out so you can write it command. Suppose you are following the other series, so you already there, so you just copy and paste here. Okay, what I did, I just create a messages.blade.php. After I pass like all the success messages. Suppose success, so bootstrap class against work success. Suppose error, so bootstrap class again error, payment error, warning, info, secondary, primary, light. So all the alert I will add in one file. So just we need to include this file inside a login. So simple way, just go to auth inside login, and whatever place do you want to like you can include. Let me try here. Okay, let's try here. Include, 1 minute spelling mistake, include, here is the layout like simple layouts. You can see this folder name. After what's the file we need to include message, because this is the sub file, so I am always add a dash. Okay, I save these files. I just go back again. I just create an account, and I just do is again name like a welcome at the gmail.com, and password is a 123456. Whatever do you want to like, you can do it your end. I just like this password, and I just create an account. And once create an account, so you can see it, your account successfully, means your account registered successfully. Otherwise your account registered successfully, whatever do you want to write message, this is your dependency, it is not my dependency. You can see it here, you can see it like a welcome at the gmail.com. So now we have done like a creating account, and also we have done like a show the message. Also we have made a validation, and how we can work like a admin and register. So we already provided two types. So in this video I have explained how to create an account, and next video we can do like a verification. Once you can create an account, so we need to send an email to user click on the verify, and after user can log in. Suppose user try to direct login, so he need to verify the account. I will show you everything step by steps. Let's change this like a nice admin to like a blog one, like he going to index one. So just we can change here like our URL. So here we did already blogs, like your index.html file here there. So just we can change like a URL. So it's going to our main website. Same thing you can do is a forget password. Suppose here you can change like a blog, and also you can do it like index.html to our main URL. So it's going to main URL. Also you can sort out inside login one, like here you can do it like a blog, and also you can do it, but this is the we have already done. So login inside we have done. Okay, so I hope you have clear about how to register, and next video we can do like how we can implement like a email verification. So how to verify and after how it's login, and we can change username to email wise login. Remember be how it's work, I can explain. Forget password also I can explain how we can do it. Okay, and do you want to like this video? So please like, and do you want to see like this video more? So please subscribe our channel, and please share with your friend, and so he can learn something new every day, because we are doing like a project wise work, so it is good for you and good for me. And thank you for watching.